Hey guys, Team Draw is live. So, over chasing people down for cash. Jumping and break. Maybe it must be fucking hard to understand. That's it. Team's there. Alrighty. It's live, 6:38:48 PM Melbourne time. Participants first. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Team draw. Itchy. 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's Toolsmith Rockets Kyle with Nuggets, Charles Pelicans, Horwood Nets, Borto Grizz, Kyle with Mavericks, Jason Airray Bucks, Hinge with the Blazers, Glenbow Heat, Borto Clippers, Hinge with the Warriors, Van Houten with Pacers, Hodgson with Raptors, Bowman with Bulls, Kane with Thunder, Wilco with Knicks, Hinge with the Hornets, Borto with Lakers, Matt Shaw with Pistons, Josh Hinge, Kings, Michael Paul, Sixers, Borto, Jazz, Nick Powell, Celtics, Danny Dunn, Suns, Hinge, Wizards, Horwood, Hawks, Van Houten, Cavs, Hinge, Magic, Bowman, Spurs, and Glenbow, Wolves. And that's it. Where the fuck am I putting it? Oh, there. Team draw complete.